Hey guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. If today is your first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Here I tutor you how to bake and decorate cakes, small chops, and even food also. So don't forget to like this video. Today I'll be showing you how I make my large quantity puff puff. I'll be using condensed milk flavor for this puff puff, my sugar, grated onion, this nutmeg. I'll be using dry pepper. You can use fresh, it's very superb. Salt, my flour, and that is all with my yeast and warm water. So first I need warm water, so let me get my warm water. It's very important you use warm water when you're mixing your puff puff, not hot water. Hot water will kill the yeast, but warm water will give you what we want. If possible, lukewarm water, just a slight warm, not hot, please. Very important you don't use hot water for this. So my warm water is warm. The hot water I've diluted it very well, so it's warm right now. That's warm. So I added a little sugar to the yeast, and I add the warm water. So I need a spoon to stir. So I have to get my spoon to stir it very well. After stirring it, I'll cover and allow it to rise before I incorporate it to my mix. I'll be using a big cooler to mix the puff puff. So I'm adding in my flour, sugar, I'll add the dry pepper and salt. Yes, I'll add in my nutmeg, grated onion. Please try and wash your hand very well. Yes, I have to wash my hand here, so I have to go out, wash, and come back. So right now it's time to incorporate everything together. Yes, I'll be dropping the warm water little at a time. Please, if you're not sure of what you're doing, please first add the yeast, because the yeast is in a liquid form, so you can first add it before you start mixing in your warm water little at a time as you incorporate. I love my puff puff batter thick. Yes, I love my thick. I don't know how you do yours. Some people allow their own to be very, very soft. Not only soft, it looks as if it's dropping out. So I don't like it that way. My puff puff is always dry, so I love the batter to be very thick. And again, I use grilled chicken for these small chops. In case you want the recipe how I grilled the chicken, still drop on the comment section, because I will still post it here. Yes, you all know I love listing out my ingredients. Okay, for the flour I used 1 kg and 700 grams. I call it 1.7. So I use 2 tablespoons of condensed milk flavor, 6 tablespoons of yeast, the sugar 1.5 cup of sugar, my onion, I used a big onion, I grated it, 3 big nutmeg I grated, the pepper, a tablespoon of dry pepper. Please, fresh pepper is the best. And what is the salt? I added 1 tablespoon of salt. I had fresh pepper in the house, but I blended it with ginger and garlic, so I wasn't able to use it. So after mixing, I will cover and leave for 45 minutes before I come back. So after mixing, I came back around 45 minutes to check on it, and you can see it's ready. So time to fry. Like I said, this early morning, you can sit down, you can see everywhere is dark, so I have to use my ring light outside to fry the puff puff, adding the first one to check whether the oil is hot. So I continued. So I will be making a well detailed video on my samosa and spring roll. A lot of people have been asking me. I have it on my channel, but new people that are new in my channel, will I say, they don't go back to the old videos. So I'll be making a new video on samosa and spring roll, and if that is what you're looking forward for, please drop a comment section. I want samosa and spring roll recipe. I want that comment, because that your comment will ginger me to make it faster. So make sure you drop a comment on the comment section. I want samosa and spring roll video. So I'll be doing that by God's grace this month. So if you're watching this video, maybe you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It's important you subscribe, because if I drop new video, if you have not subscribed, you will not get an alert. But if you have subscribed, you will get an alert, and it will be easy for you to access my newest video. And please, if you are the returning subscribers, I really appreciate your coming back again to my channel. And please don't forget to like my video. It's important you like this video for other people to be able to see it. This is how I do my puff puff frying. Here we are done with our puff puff. Like I said, I'll be making a well detailed video for this samosa and spring roll. This is just the frying you will see before the packaging. The packaging is very important, because in this small chops business, the eyes will first eat before the mouth will eat. So make sure your packaging is looking attractive, and it's important, like I always said, and I always talk about, I always lament on this. It's very important. Fry with good oil. Make sure you're frying your puff puff, your samosa, your spring roll. If you're frying chicken, make sure you're doing that with good oil. It's very, very important you fry with good oil. You can see how crunchy and dry my samosa and spring rolls are looking. Okay, you can see this is me. That this time the day, as in everywhere is bright already, so you can see me frying. Okay, I'm done. So we'll go straight to the packaging of everything right now. My people, everything is so costly. Price don't increase. Yes, price has really increased. these small chops, then I was packaging for 800. Right now this goes for 900, 1000. If you're buying single, 1000. If you're buying in bulk, I can give you for 900. Yes, this particular order was for each 900. I have to package 55 pieces for the client. So, and in business now has changed level. So I don't know, wherever you are, I believe you understand what I'm talking about. Things are so costly. Make sure before you take order, know what the as in recent price, know the recent price, make your research, make sure you go down and jot some things down, analyze before you just throw out price to the client, so that you will not be the one running out in loss, as in you will not be losing. Seriously, you have to make gain in any business. Like I said, in case you want me to post how I grill this chicken you're seeing right here, this grilled chicken is nice. Yes, it's very nice or very healthy. It tastes better than fried chicken. Yes, and it will also help you to save oil. Yes, it will help you to conserve some oil for yourself. So please feel free to comment, like this video. You can see I love toppings makes the work look so beautiful. You can see how everything is looking so attractive. I use my cucumber with onion to decorate or garnish the top of my small chops. So feel free, if you're new to my channel, I keep repeating, subscribe to this channel. You will learn a lot, because the nourishment part of this channel has not been functioning, but by God's grace in 2023 I will try my best to boost that side. Yes, it's all about food, so we will be doing the cake and the food at the same time. So get prepared for roast this year, and don't forget to like our video. You can see everything is set. It's time to seal it up. Okay, so far so good. I'm rounding up. So feel free to drop your comments, like this video, subscribe if you're new, and I'm so happy you watched this video to the end. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks, I appreciate. Bye bye. Ready to deliver.